AI video generator. Dreamface app. How to use Dreamface AI. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, head over to your Play Store and then search for Dreamface app. This is the application you'd be looking for. AI video generator, that's Dreamface. So basically what this application does is takes your photo and lip syncs it to the audio that you put, or it can also create your AI avatar. As you can see here, you can also edit your photos and videos using this app. This app is absolutely free for downloading in both Android and iOS, so you just have to install and start using. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.